set of 7 chisel drivers by Wera. The set comes nicely packed in a nylon carrying case with a hook and loop fastener strip. Chisel driver is a combination of chisels and screwdriver and is perfect for fastening, chiseling and loosening seized screws. Ergonomic Kraftform handle assures steady and comfortable grip. Integrated impact cap helps whenever chiseling is necessary, whereas hexagonal bolster allows to add extra torque. Specially hardened tips increase lifespan of screwdrivers. The set comes with following screwdrivers: 2 Phillips, 2 Torx and 3 slotted. Check the EMI's website to find more details about this and more products. Browse through hundreds of thousands of items and get everything you want. TME. You need it, we have it.